Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Nova Y70, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your toggles, which are located on the top right side of the phone, so just swipe down like so, expand it, and in here you'll find the toggle for it, hopefully somewhere. There we go. So it is turned off. So to actually enable it, you will need to click right here, then select edit switches. You will find the power saving mode right here. You want to grab it, hold it, and then drag it over to the top, select done, and now you have your power saving mode toggle accessible from the notifications. When you press on it, it brings up this window right here, power saving mode, so improves battery life by disabling features such as auto syncing. I would recommend selecting don't remind me again, so this won't ever show up again once you enable your power saving mode. So there we go, and you can see that power saving mode is enabled. It adds this leaf into the battery. So there we go, that's the power saving mode on this phone. And once you're done with it, to turn it off, simply tap on it again and everything will go back to functioning normally. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.